The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. At approximately 11:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, multiple reports were received from multiple sources across the United States, indicating strange and unexplainable events. Eyewitnesses have reported large and erratic lights in the sky, with some describing them as moving against the wind. Others claiming they appear to be descending toward the ground. These reports are being verified by federal authorities, but at this time, no official statement can be made. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government has confirmed no known natural cause for these disturbances. There was also reports of people, specifically loved ones, wandering around outside in the middle of the night, acting strangely and showing aggressive behavior towards family, friends or random people in the streets, by brutally attacking and killing civilians for unknown reasons. Because of this, your local law enforcement and emergency services have been instructed to focus on ensuring public safety, but they have reported an inability to respond to certain areas due to overwhelming and unexplained interference with communications and traffic systems. At this time, we advise an immediate shelter-in-place order is being currently issued by the United States government. To shelter in place, you must lock all your windows and doors.